Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cheap yet functional gun stock for all of your VR shooting needs. Make sure to watch to the end because I made one VR gun stock too many, so I'm giving one away. So if you'd like to own your very own piece of poorly made plastic made by yours truly, do not click off this video. Alright, that's enough of an intro. Let's start making a VR gun stock.
The first thing we'll be needing is our materials to work with. So take a quick trip to your local hardware store for supplies. The parts I used were a 40mm diameter plastic pipe, which I could only buy in a 10-foot length, but I only needed 11 inches for this stock. Two 40mm T-joint pipe connectors, one 40mm 90-degree pipe connector, sellotape, two paper towel rolls, big enough to allow your Oculus controllers to slide in and out of, scissors, sandpaper, a tape measure, super glue, and something to cut the pipe with. I used a hacksaw. First lay out your pipe joints to figure out the rough shape you want for your stock. Now measure the distance between the joints so we know what length of pipe we need to cut. Don't forget to add in the extra length that the pipe needs to slide into the connectors. These connectors have a 1.5 inch recess before the pipe hits a raised wall, so I need to remember to add 1.5 inches to each pipe I cut. Cut your pipe to the desired lengths. The two lengths of pipe I ended up with was a 6.5 inch piece to go between the two T-joint connectors, and the smaller 4.5 inch piece to act as the back shoulder stock. Don't worry about if your edges are super neat. Mine weren't and it still worked fine. Now you have your pipe lengths cut, slide them into your pipe joints. Make a mark of where the joints in the pipes meet. Take all the pieces apart and use the sandpaper to quickly rough up the insides of the joints and the sections of pipe that will slide into the joints. This is an important step to make sure the superglue will have a rough surface to grip onto. Apply your superglue to the rough sections of the pipe and slide it into the pipe joints. Make sure you remember which lengths of pipe you wanted where when doing this, or you may end up with a very odd looking stock. Now set it aside and give your stock enough time for the superglue to cure. After the glue is set, it's time to make the controller holders. Take your stock and figure out what angle you want your controllers at. But first pop the collars off the T-joint connectors. This will make it easier to slide the paper towel holders over them later. I used a pair of scissors. Be very careful when doing this and don't accidentally stab yourself. Take your cardboard tubes and use your scissors to cut the desired angle you need off the bottom. Slide your paper towel tubes over the top of the T-joint connectors and use your sellotape to firmly attach the two. Slide your controllers into the cardboard tubes, deep enough that the grip button sticks out the top, and crush the cardboard tubes around the controllers, using the sellotape to wrap it up tightly. Only put sellotape on the cardboard tubes, not the controllers though. Your cardboard tubes will now be fairly sturdy because of the large amount of tape you've used, as well as being a nice pressure fit to your controllers, allowing you to slide them in and out easily, but also firmly holding them when inserted. That's it. You've made a functional VR gun stock. Does it look pretty? No. Is it covered in carbon fibre and cool magnets that attach and reattach your controllers with? No. Does it work well? Yes. Yes it does. And it's incredibly easy to get the parts together to make.
And now you know how to make your very own VR gun stock. You'll now be able to go toe to toe with other players in games like Contractors, Pavlov and onwards. Just remember, when you're racking up the body count, Talamo2 sends his regards. The giveaway! Yes, I've made one stock too many, so I'm giving one of you the chance to win a shoddily made stock for free. All you need to do is like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and in a month's time I'll put all eligible usernames into a hat and pick out a winner. My full rules for this giveaway are in the description, so please make sure to read them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this where I do whatever I want. Until next time, bye.